So I've got two templates here, an outside and an inside. The outside is your coloured fabric, whatever you choose, and the inside is either black or white. For my coloured fabric, I've chosen this. It's like a pink dotty one, and I've already marked out my outside. Make sure you flip it over so you have the prettiness on both sides. See? Now I'm just going to cut those out. Okay, so the outside pieces for the mask are cut out now, so we've got to do the inside. So I've got my inside template. See how it's shorter, about, say, this much shorter than the outside piece. That's so we have enough to fold over to do our elastic. So since this fabric was white predominantly, I've chosen white and done two again. Just gonna cut these out. So those two inside pieces are cut out now, and since we've got all our pieces, these ones, both the outside and the inside, it's time to sew. So I've paired these up, and the good sides are on the inside, as you can see there. And so you can either pin here and sew, or just freehand sew. So as you can see, I've sewn along this here. So what we're going to do is just cut off the excess here, so it's easier to fold in like that to make your mask. And also just put little tiny snips along here, but don't go through where you've just sewn. It makes it easier to bend and it won't go creasy and weird. You probably can't see where I've cut, but there are little snips all the way along to make it easier. So now I've done that on both of them. I've turned this one the right way round, so we can put this one over the top and pin along here and down the bottom here. So now you're just going to sew along here and down here. This obviously will be open on either side because we've got to turn it inside out so we can do our bits for our elastic. So that's now all sewed on the top edge and the bottom edge here. So now I'm just going to turn this inside out. Now this will look a bit odd at first, but we've got to iron it down. See how this is now all ironed flat and it's in the right shape? We're going to flip this over and we're going to iron once here, like this, and then go over again on both sides, so this side and this side. So now both sides have been ironed, so one fold, two folds on either side. Now go back to the sewing machine and sew along here. Make sure it's on the very edge, but make sure you still catch it. So as you can see, you got to do a very neat line because you can see it on the other side. So then you'll just thread your elastic through and you're done.